Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to change the Amazon account that is linked to a Kindle Paperwhite. So the first thing that we're going to do is power on our screen. And from the home page, what we're going to do is drag down from the top screen area. This is going to pop up this menu, and we want to click on where it says All Settings. And then in the Your Account area, it'll show the registered account that you have, so we're going to click on that. So what we want to do is deregister this device. So deregister your Kindle from your Amazon account. We're going to click that. And then it says your Kindle will be deregistered from your Amazon account. This will remove all content from your device and many features will not work. Items you purchase from an Amazon store will remain available in the cloud and can be downloaded again. After deregistering, you can register your Kindle to another Amazon account. Are you sure you want to deregister? So just make sure that you want to switch this Kindle Paperwhite over to a different Amazon account. And if you do, you can click on where it says deregister. And that takes us back to the previous page where in our settings, it now says for your account unregistered. So to register this with the Amazon account that you want to link up, we're going to click on where it says your account. And you can either use an existing Amazon account or you can create a new account. For me, I'm going to be using an existing Amazon account, so I'm going to select that. Enter in your Amazon account information, so either the email or phone number that is associated with your Amazon account, the password, and then click on register. And if you entered in your Amazon information correctly, it will register your account. And in the Your Account area, it'll show you that you are now registered. So I hope this video is helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how you change the Amazon account that is linked to an Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.